Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Where I left you last, we had just finished building the first cabinet. It's the next day for me. Still got to put the legs onto this cabinet. I ended up just keeping the plastic legs because nobody's really gonna see it anywhere. It's so low to the ground, so nobody's gonna know but me. But I did end up getting new knobs. I'll show you here. So we just came back from the store. Got some materials. The paint color I chose, it's called Virtual Taupe. Some trim, got some snippers, tape, more tape. Found some new knobs. This was on the highest shelf they had. I had to carry my daughter to grab them for me because we were both too short to reach. So I need the extra length by holding her up. Got my can of paint, tape, more spackling because I thought I had some, but I guess it got all dried out. A new putty knife, snippers to cut the trim, got the trim here. And then we went to Lowe's Kids Workshop and my daughter got a sleigh to make. And yes, we got some dog hairs everywhere, but we can vacuum after I fill in the holes and sand it down and do all that stuff. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna patch all these holes up first. Okay, while that dries, I think I'm gonna measure the wall, find the center, and tape out how I wanna do the trim. You can see though, this is the color of the wall when we moved in. It's like this tan color. Not really sure. It was the whole house. But then I painted it white. I don't even remember what color this is. And this is wall blue. But we didn't finish because I still haven't painted in the hallway. Haven't finished painting this. And then in my bedroom, there's a small section that I didn't finish painting as well. So I found a half point of the wall, the entire wall. So now I gotta go figure out the size of the mirror because I don't remember how big the mirror is. So that way it could be right in the middle of this wall. And then I could trim around it to see how big the mirror is and then figure out how I want to do the trimming around that. Okay, I figured out that I want to do 10 inches down from the wall for the trim because it gives just that much space between the mirror. I already have the mirror trimmed out and the center point of it. And now I want to see how much space to give left and right and bottom, and then for the second trim on the bottom as well as the side panels. So I have the first box put together. Now I gotta do the bottom box and the two sides. Then I could fill in the holes, paint, and I could bring the mirror out, the cabinetry, curtains. Still haven't got the rug yet, but you know, we're getting there. Took me a bit, but looks good. It's the next day and this is as much as I got yesterday. I ended up not recording the rest of it because a hammer fell on my toe and I got mad, annoyed, and I just cut the camera off and just did everything off camera. But yeah, this is where I'm at right now. Gotta do the bottom boxes and figure out if I want to put trim on the top and in between the bottom here. finished painting the wall. Some areas are still drying. And we have our 2 cabinets built here. I have a lot of leftover paint that I still have to paint that area over there. And I'm thinking about also painting all the doors the same color so it can all match. But looking good. So tomorrow we could put the mirror and a cabinet here, which looking at it now, the cabinet is very short, lower than the couch. So I might actually get legs for it just to make it a little taller. So that way you can see it behind the couch as well.
To stand the test of time as long as he has, because he's been able to adapt. So that vision evolves when it suits the certain era that he's in. He's shown this season he can go long, you know, he can go direct, he can go. I said it on the Big Six last season.
So my daughter and I did go to Ross and found just a vase and some flowers to put right here on the table. That way we could move out that Christmas tree. It looks real, nice and real. And it feels nice as well. It feels like good quality. And it looks pretty real. I'm just gonna have to, it's too long, so I'm gonna have to probably bend it and play with it a little bit. They did have lots of options on vases, but I need a big vase to fill in the space. I found this one. It's cream, or not cream, like an off-white. It's not stark white, but a nice white, and it has nice texture, basic. Something to just replace that Christmas tree there that we have right now. Basically the same size as the Christmas tree, really. We'll see if my husband even notices that it's changed when he gets home from work. Okay, I think that looks nice. It's not too big, not too small, but it fills in the space a lot better than this tiny Christmas tree. And that Christmas tree was just holiday decorations. So it looks a lot better. So we have the nice white vase and then the faux magnolias. It came with 3, which I probably only needed 2. I didn't even have to use the 3rd one, but why not? Looks nice. My new rug finally came in, yay! So we could get rid of the old one and put this one down now. Literally tomorrow would have been a whole month since I've ordered this, so it took a whole month to finally get here.
So